What is going on today? 4 hours of sleep, on the way to Fun Unlimited. Gonna go get the four-wheeler completely finished up. Gotta change out the gear oil in the rear and change the oil. And then heading to Timberview, Turin, New York. Laura and John, our favorite people. Meet up with Bubba, Michelle, Kurt, Dave and Karen. Camry's coming. We're all gonna have a good weekend. Pat, well, he pussed out, so Pat's not gonna be there. Sorry, Pat. Hope your beep heals up. Anyways, going down for the Un-Snirt run, because Snow Pals owns the trademark to Snirt. You know, God forbid anybody said Snirt and it wasn't an actual event. Whatever. We're going there. We're going to support local businesses. We're going to spend some money. We're going to eat some food. We're going to drink some beer. And we're going to ride some wheelers. And we're going to have some fun. So, anybody that's going to be there, looking forward to seeing you. And if not, maybe I'll get there next year. And we'll do some riding. But yeah, outside of that, get the Fun Unlimited. Get the wheeler ready. Hit the road because I'm ready to get there. So, hopefully I'll be seeing some people. All right, let's get this party started. Snirt, Un-Snirt 2021. We're about to hit the trail and have some fun. So we can't officially call this Snirt run because as I was saying, we can't call this Snirt run because, well, the name Snirt is owned by Snow Pals, apparently the trademark name, so we gotta call it Un-Snirt, and then we're good. So, first stop first, heading off to Whiskey Jack's. Hopefully we can do some playing around there. There's always a good little mud hole out back if it's been wet, and if not, then, yeah, see what else we can find. But, for now, there's not too much to see in between here and there. Shut the camera off and turn it back on when I think I'm coming up to something decent. So let's go have some fun. Can-Am up here, so I'm gonna get off and take a look and see what's going on with it. So what's it doing?
Now it's saying brake. And the engine light's coming on. It wasn't. You want to just drive it? Yeah, you can take that one. I can ride with somebody.
We're not going to leave her four-wheeler here.
We could take it back and I'm saying she could take that one.
Don't test your luck. Well, let's see what's going on. Hopefully we can get to Whiskey Jack's and, investigate a little bit more into it. I don't know why the brake would be sticking. Alright, well, maybe we'll get to Whiskey Jack's today. Maybe not. All right. A few people here. Cool. Oh, brr. A little cold. Well, it's not as bad, as good as it was 2 years ago, but little spot to play, huh?
Well, at first it was like a check engine type shit.
What in the fuck is going on with that thing?
I don't know.
Did they stop again?
The must be. It's her rear brake pedal.
Stop.
It's no pressure to it. So, don't know. Guess we'll see in a minute. Oh, there he is. The broken canned ham. All right, met up with John. John's got his 850 here with his son and some friends today, and we're now going to make our next trip to High Market. So we'll get over there, give them some support, check on everything, and we'll have some fun maybe. Oh God, I'm ready. So yeah, go to High Market, get done some business, continue on with the day at Un-Snirt 2021, and keep hanging out and enjoying time with the friends. That's what it's all about. Not too far away from High Market. Get up here to the Four Corners, go straight through the Four Corners, and it's a left and a left, and you're there. So, like I said, there's nothing really exciting going on as far as the ride in between places, but if I see something good coming up, I'll turn the camera back on. But for now, we'll just start making our way to High Market and go from there. Alright, just about to High Market. See how many people stopped up here. Seeing quite a few people out on the trails right now as it is, which is good. Businesses need it. They suffered way too much last year. Not that I'm getting over political, but you know, things are actually driving me to become a little bit more over political than I normally am, but that's just the way it goes. I mean, I'm looking out for the businesses. People in the North Country are not like the people down in the city, you know, plain and simple. So let us do what we're doing, and you guys do what you're doing, and everybody can be happy. Definitely quite a few people here. It's good. It's awesome to see. Yeah, a little better. Yeah, it does make a difference. I mean, it took me a second to get used to these. Once I did, now it's fun. They're like ice skates, but it's still like, but it is what it is. All right, let's go get a cold beer. I'm thirsty. Get back to this here in just a bit, and yeah. All right, leaving High Market. Heading to back to Timberview to check on Karen and Dave, and yeah, go play in the mud for a bit, have some fun there. Camera batteries, I forgot them, so gotta hit it harder. So yeah, forgot the batteries for the additional batteries for the GoPro. That's quite the dilemma anyways, because left batteries back at home, and had Camry pick up some new ones for me, and the new ones don't work. So luckily Dave's batteries work in mine, and I've got that, but I only brought one with me, so I guess everything happens for a reason. We're heading back to Timberview where we're staying, get another battery in, and go have some fun across the road there. So good times, good times. Like I said, it's a boring ride back, so we'll just start the camera back up when we get to Timberview. Be back there in a bit. John was behind AR Park all the way up the road. Just check my lens here. Holy moly. Yeah, there's definitely some people here today. But like I said, that's good. Tall pines needs it. Or tall pines needs it. That's good. Businesses need it. These guys need something to get them through the summer, through the spring, and into the next winter. So glad to see it. Man, there's a lot of people. battery, then go across the road. Excuse me. All right, this thing charged up and go have some fun. It's gotten nicer out. Well, yeah, I'd probably put your waders on. Dave, you fix that Can-Am yet? Looks like a doctor right now. He got his glasses out, his hair's all...
Not in the mood.
Oh, not in the way. You want to go?
So, Karen,
I'll fight you with my helmet on.
Hey, bitch slap you, boy.
All right, get that other battery. All right, the girls and a few others went off for a little side ride. They want to go ride the trails, and well, I just built this for a purpose. I want to do some more testing out on it. Did some testing yesterday. I want to get a little bit more done today. I also want to go say hi to some people across the way. It is Un-Snirt 2021, but there's a lot of people I want to go say hi to. So Dave, myself, and Dum Dum, we're gonna go play for a bit. So yeah. Go across the road and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. Definitely a ton of people here. Definitely a ton of people. I'm alright with that. Like I said, it's good for business. You ready? Definitely, holy shit. Go see if we can find some good action, I guess. That or we can go in the backwoods and see what's out there. So, only one way to find out. Yeah, it's not looking good. No, it's not looking like a good day.